I added a way to customize your bank file permanently. So if you come to reports, this report is the bank file. Initially, if you click on it, you'll get this bank file not set up and instructions of how to set up, which is what I'm going to show you. So you come here, homepage, employee list, banks, and click on this bank file columns. Now initially it will be empty like this. So the first thing you want to do is click this get Excel calls. This help explains the whole form and what to do. But basically get Excel calls, it creates these. These are just sample data for you to see how it will look. What you do now to set up yours, click clear columns below, empty it completely. Then I want you to come here to import bank columns to get yours. Go to your bank file. So these are the headings. These are sample headings on a bank file format. So you need to organize it like this so that you can copy it. So what you do is you copy all like that, copy. Then you come to a column like this or a space like this, you right click and do this transpose. So that creates that. Then let's do that. Then you want to do this ABCD. So you can put, now you could type A, so you put caps and do B, C. You could do that. A quicker way to do it is to say equals character 65. 65 is the character number for A. Now why is this not, I think it should be set as general. So let's try that again. Equals character 65. Yes, like that. So make sure it's on general format. If it's on text, it will give you that problem. So once you've got that, you come to the next one and say equals character code. You pick that code, close the bracket, +1. Oh, it's still the same. So let's just change the whole thing to general. Format general. And then do it again. And if I copy, it won't work. Equals character, open bracket, code, pick that, +1. There, so you get B. So now you copy this to the rest. That will give you. So that's one way to do it. If that's too complicated, just type A, B, C, D. Then what you do is you copy, and it has to be, the two columns should be right next to each other like this. So you highlight all, click copy, copy, come here, click this, not here, you click there, and you do Control V on your keyboard, Control V. You'll get that message, you say yes, and you say yes. That copies your data there. Then you click update. What that has done, we are now back where we came from. So we were here, and it now has your column headings as per the bank. Then now we want to populate. So you can either pick, remember these are coming from here. So if you want to go back and see what is in each column, go to the bank net cash, the original one, and then these columns come from there. So you could keep it open like that, then come here and then keep referring. So beneficiary name is the employee name. So you come look for it, you pick beneficiary account, that's account number. Country code, if it is something to be permanent, you do like that. City code, maybe like that. Swift code, I'm not sure what this is, but you can leave it blank. Bank code, you come here, you do bank code. Branch code, branch code. Currency, currency. Now, a point to note, there are certain names that, well, number one, this name should not be exactly like this. It will create a problem. And then there's some general, actually, I think that's the only problem. This should not look so if this was bank code in the same way this is bank code with no space, that would create a problem. So this originally I had called currency, but I changed it to CCY because I think many banks may require the use of this word. So I want you to be able to use that. So I changed that to CCY. So keep that in mind. And if you get an error, some kind of error, this could be it, and you can let me know and I can change something. So amount, that's net cash. Payment type, maybe I can type salary. So anything you type here will appear the same for each person. Date, I think I put today's date. Date today. Debiting account number, so this is now your account number, so you can put your account number there. Remember, this will remain, so once you've set it up, it will stay like that. Purpose of payment, so I had added a description of sorts. Salary for, so it will be salary for with the month. Notes to beneficiary, maybe that should be blank. Email address, so we want email there. So we've set up a couple of them are blank, like this one and this one. The rest, some are picking from here and some are like that. So you can come back, let's close this, come back to payments and reports, and now when you click this, it will open and you can see it's in that order with those titles, and it will remain like that. So there was payment type, we put salary. There was purpose of payment, this got picked. If you have email addresses, they'll be picked. This is your account number that you input. That's today's date. What else? Then of course these are the actual amounts for the individuals. These are their bank accounts that are put in. So these are fake bank accounts with fake banks, just for sample. And you can export it, okay? So now, let's say yes, let's close this, close this, close this, close this. So now, you have your bank file, and even after updating, it will still be the same. And if you want to export it, you can do the same the way we normally export. It will export and it will remain in that format. So there it is, Company 1, bank file. So now you can see it has the exact format that you want. So try it, let me know if it works, or you might need to change this date format. I don't know why it changed it. Well, even in Excel it would probably be able to. You can try updating with the format there and see if it works. If it doesn't, we'll see what to do about that. If it's a problem, let me know.